Lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan. Kami ingatkan untuk tetap mengenakan sabuk pengaman.
Late 2019 we visited Raja Ampat, and more specifically the island of Kri. You may never have heard of Kri or Raja Ampat even, but within the diving community it is very well known, and especially for its living, colorful coral reefs and fish. People who enjoy the corals here say it's the most beautiful place to dive in the world, but I guess there will always be debate about stuff like that. After the first few incredible days on the island of Kri, we set off for the island of Piaynemo, and Piaynemo is actually a group of islands and it's beautiful from the sky, and luckily we had a drone with us, so this is where we went. In the lagoon in the neighboring island of Gam, you can find loads of jellyfish. They are stingless, so you can safely enjoy a swim with these amazing creatures. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing. See you next time.